I just had heard about this particular Gloucester, and I had really underestimated the vehicle because among the Indian roads, a lot of competition between the Fortuner and the Endeavour. I personally liked the techie thing which was inside when I had driven it in my city. But the MG gave me a chance to just drive the off-roading experience, where Mr. Naveen also took me the beast around. I can see I still have the heart pumping up. I really loved the experience, the off-roading, the hill assist, everything was explained very well. And coming to the car, performance not compared to any of the car which I have driven so far. I basically loved it, the quality inside, the performance, what it is delivering. Like every point, whenever it comes to, I might require more of a day to explain it, and I'm already loving it, and I have already booked it. And my wife also loved the particular interiors of it, right from the beige interiors to the premium quality, everything. It's a family car basically. With the boys like us, we love to beast around what we say. It is the beast. That's what I can say. It's the beast.
We are very pleasantly surprised with the capabilities of this car. We didn't expect that it would perform so nicely. I think you all can go through the entire video and see how difficult this course was, but the Gloucester got through it without any problem.
I just experienced Gloucester for the first time, and that too it was on an off-road track, and the track was beautifully laid out with a lot of obstacles, and every single obstacle was a joy to conquer. Every time I came out of the obstacle it was really nice, especially the slush parts and the articulations, the hill climb and the hill hold, everything was really good. The overall experience has been really great and I enjoyed. Thank you.
While I came here, I experienced the off-road. So how to auto hold your vehicle, how this goes in up and down. The balancing of the vehicle is superb, really superb. Both vehicle. You can try the vehicle. It is really good with your off-road and on-road drive for the smooth rides and the rough rides and all. The vehicle is made for that. Thank you, MG, for giving this experience. Thank you very much.
ಈ ಕಾರ್ ನಾನು ನೋಡಿಸಿದೆ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯೆನ್ಸ್ ಬೇರೆ ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು. ನನಗೇನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪನೂ ಏನು ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟಿನೆಸ್ಸು ಏನು ಅನಿಸಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಒಂದು ಸತಿ ಕ್ಲಚ್ಚಲ್ಲಿ ಓಡಿಸಿದೆ, ತುಂಬ ಮಡ್ಡಿತ್ತು. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಓಡಿಸುವಾಗ ತುಂಬ ಕ್ಲೀನಾಗಿ ತೊಗೊಂಡು, ನಾನು ನೋಡಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಏನೋ ಅಂತ, ಏನು ಆಗದೆ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ತೊಗೊಂಡು. ಮತ್ತು ಡ್ರಫ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಹೊಡೆದೆ, ನಾನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ಪೀಡಿಂಗಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯೆನ್ಸು. ಈಗ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಹೆಕ್ಟರು ಸೇಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. As much as soon I will go for this car. I love this car. The experience was very good. Thanks for this team who made me to enjoy this.
I didn't expect that this is having so many features. Now I want looking at luxury. So MG is giving the luxury as well as all the off-roading features. Where I tried all the features, including the differential lock, going down the hill, and all the terrains. So that is really giving me a confidence to take this car, to wherever I want to go. Off-road tilting is amazing actually. The thing is, you don't need to be an expert, right, to do this off-roading. The car is doing a lot of things for you. So that way, you gain more confidence. Just the first time you have to do it. That's it.
Driving Gypsy and now trying this vehicle, I think it's just an amazing experience. Of course, this Gypsy has its own advantages, but I think this is like luxury plus off-roading. But I think having this kind of vehicle will make you totally comfortable because you have hill assist, then auto hold, and then even when I'm almost at I don't know what is the angle, but almost I felt like I'm nose diving, that vehicle actually held itself, and then I could slowly release the accelerator and then move forward. So totally, I think it's amazing experience.
MG Gluster 4x4 ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, ತುಂಬ ರೈಡಿಂಗ್ ತುಂಬ ಸ್ಮೂತ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಇಂಜನ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಸರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅದು ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯಿತು. ಗಾಡಿ ಟರ್ನ್ ಆಗೋದಷ್ಟೇ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸ್ಕಿಡ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಗಾಡಿ, ಅದು ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯಿತು.
It actually performs well in some of these off-road obstacles. I mean, be it hill climb mode or hill hold mode, articulations, and the LSD coming into picture in some of the articulation areas. It was nice to see this perform the way it performed, especially with those HT tires, and still it could pull all this out. Sort of speaks for the way the thing has been designed. So it definitely has sort of exceeded my expectations.
I was amazed with the features this car has to offer off-road. I mean, I've never seen this kind of handling which this car can handle itself on the off-road, be it hill drive, be it on the boulders, be it on the sandy track, be it in the slush, be it in inclined left or inclined right. The way it handled itself was fantastic. It was the experience of a lifetime for me, especially on a four-wheeler. Yes, I've seen on motorcycles doing all these things, but yes, this was wonderful.